Hi, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Today we're going to be replacing a 3-prong head on a ring with a 4-prong head. Here's our ring. It has a 3-prong head, and this is going to be the new replacement. So we're going to be removing this. We're going to be bringing the ring in closer and doing a little bit of a sizing. First step is removing the stone. We're just going to cut the head out of the mounting. We're going to sculpt the shank so that way it can allow for the new 4-prong head. We have the head and our shank put together. We're going to solder it now. We have the head installed into the shank. At this point, we're going to be getting it to the right size. The ring is at about a size 7. It's going to go up to a 7.25. We've put this new piece of stock in, replacing the old piece that was previously in there. It had multiple seams. At this point, we're going to solder this all. We're going to grind the inside of the ring, and then we're going to start shaping the metal so that way it's to the right size. The sizing's complete, so we're going to set the stone in now. The stone is set. At this point, we're going to be cleaning and polishing the ring. What are you doing? Our ring is complete. It's been reset into a new 4-prong head, polished up, ready to go. Thanks for joining us. This is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.